Friends, I am Assistant Professor Mr. Anil Bachate. Friends, today we are going to learn Ferdinand de Saussure's concept of synchronic and diachronic in linguistics. As we studied in the previous lecture, the basics of linguistics, today we are going to deal with the two concepts coined by Ferdinand de Saussure, a Swiss a linguist, is widely recognized as one of the founding figures of modern linguistics. His work, collection of his lectures named Course in General Linguistics, introduced several fundamental concepts that revolutionized the field. Among these concepts are the notions of synchronic and diachronic, which will help in understanding language from different perspectives. Let us see the first concept of synchronic linguistics. Synchronic linguistics focuses on the study of a language at a particular point in time, examining its structure, systems as they exist in the present moment. It investigates the internal relations between elements of a language system without considering historical changes or developments. In synchronic analysis, the primary concern is the description and analysis of a language's structure, such as its phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, and semantics. Synchronic study of language basically focuses on the structure and system of language. It has less interest in the historical development of any language. It studies language at a particular point of time. And the key areas to be focused are phonetics, phonology, phonetics, that is the articulation of sounds of any language, phonology, study of language of a particular area, morphology, the study of word formation, syntax, the word arrangement, and semantics, the study of meaning. So Saussure argued that understanding a language synchronically is essential for grasping its inherent system and the underlying rules that govern it. For example, analyzing the current vocabulary and grammar of English in the year 2023 would be a synchronic study. So here, vocabulary and the grammar of the current year, or we can say the present time, can be an example of synchronic study of linguistics. Let us see another type of linguistic, diachronic linguistics. The field of language gives emphasis on its evolution, the development of language and its change over time. It examines the historical development of language, tracing the transformations that occur across different stages and periods. It aims to uncover the causes and processes behind language change, shifts in pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, and usage. As an example, we can see the Old English language in the Old English era to Middle English. How the old cliche type words were used in Old English. With due course of time, they evolved, they went into some changes. After the Middle English, it turned to modern English. From this point, we can see some examples, like in Shakespearean time, whenever the poetry was written, the poets used to mention the words like thee, thou, or thy. Or here we can see the word does. What are these? These are examples from ancient English. These words which are not at all in current use. But if we study language from its beginning up till now, the study of field or the study area can be called diachronic linguistics. Sassure emphasized the importance of both synchronic and diachronic approaches to understand language fully. So here we cannot say studying language at a particular point of time can be a full-fledged study. We need to understand its evolvement, or we can say how during the course of time the language went into several changes. It adopted new words, new vocabulary. Also, it rejected some cliche, odd, or we can say unused or rarely used words, and accepted some new words into language. So while synchronic analysis helps in uncovering the underlying structures and systems of a language at a particular moment, diachronic analysis sheds light on the historical context, evolution of those structures. Sassure argued that both perspectives are necessary for a comprehensive understanding of language, as they provide complementary insights into its nature and workings. Thank you friends for watching this video.